Real Excel users don't use formulas, they build the dashboards, and today you become the one. If you can build this dashboard today, you are no longer beginner in Excel. So let's start. Here we have our employee data that we have built in our previous 5 lectures. We have got employee names, their department, job title, their monthly salary, performance rating and employee status. Also, we have added some top summaries using formulas. We shall utilize all our learned skills to make a good dashboard. Let's see how. We will add a new sheet and name it as dashboard. Let's start with total employees. I am going to select 2 cells and make them merge total employees, and also selecting this much combination of cells and making them merge to bring or to appear the total here. Let us select some good background color, make it bold and also all borders to make it visually good. Now let's add sum. To get the total number of employees, we shall use count A formula. Click on first cell of the employee names, then shift control down key to select the entire range, then close parenthesis, hit enter, and we have got our total employees. Now let's make it good visually. Make it center align, enlarge it to get the desired size. I think this size will be okay, and then bold. Now we have got total number of employees. Now let's total salaries. I will copy and paste here to save my formatting time, but I will change the content, remove 45 and total salaries. Total salaries, we will get it by simple sum formula. Sum, come here, first cell of the salaries column, shift control down key, close parenthesis and hit enter, and we have got our total salaries. Since it is salaries, it involved number and currency, so we will have to format it. Format it to currency. Select the currency symbol as $. I will reduce its size to fit this number and remove this leading zeros. Now we have got total salaries. You can make it enlarge as per your choice. The next thing is, let's get the total active employees. Copy, Control V, remove it. Active employees. To get the active employees, we have our column employee status. This column contains employee status active on leave. We have to calculate only the active ones. Let's see how. Come back to dashboard, press equal sign, count if. We shall use the count if formula to get the number of only active employees. Go back to range, click this first cell, then shift control down key. We have got the range selected, but we have to give it a criteria as well. Our criteria will be active. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and we have got our active employees. Now let's calculate the salary of only HR department. I'm going to copy it, paste here. Copy it, paste here, just to take this formatting and save my time. I will remove whatever the content here. I will type it HR salaries equal. We shall use sum if, because we need to sum the salaries but only for HR employees. And our first range will be department column, criteria will be department name, and sum range will be salaries column. Let's see how. I'm going to click on department column first cell, then shift control down. Department is HR. What Excel will do, it will sum salaries of only HR department. Then in the last salaries column, shift control down key and close parenthesis and hit enter. So this much salary is for HR department only. Now let's add some graph to it. Let's take the department-wide distribution of employees. Let's see how. We will add a pivot table. Insert, click pivot table. Here we have to give the table range. The table range is our data. Click here, then shift control right key and shift control down key to select the entire range. The next, where you want the pivot table to be placed, we want it to be placed on a new report. Later on, we will bring it on our dashboard. Press OK, and this is our new sheet with pivot table. I am going to rename it Employee Department. Click over it. Take the department name and bring into rows. And you can take any column for values. Now we have got this tabular summary. We will insert graph to it. Click insert, pivot table chart. Here we have many types. You can select as per your choice, but for numbers I will go with this, the first one. Click OK. Now our graph is ready. Let's format it. I'll right click and hide all value field buttons. Click on this total, remove it, don't need. Double click on this column title, chart title, and rename it employees, department wise employees. Now click on chart, click on this plus sign and add data labels. Our data labels are added. Click on any label, press Ctrl B and increase its size to your required visual appearance. Click it, Ctrl C, bring it to dashboard, paste here. Here's our department wise employees total. Now let's take active employees graph. I will not make another new pivot table or graph. I will copy this to save time and later on make changes on it. Press and hold mouse left click, then press Ctrl key. Once you see the plus sign, keep both combination press and release here and it will make you copy. Or you can simply go to move or copy, create a copy and it will copy for you. Change its name, employee status. Click on this pivot table. I will remove this department field and add employee status instead of it, and I've got employee status. I will click on this graph and go to design, change the graph type to pie chart. Within pie chart, I think donut will be good option. Click OK. Change the chart title. Chart title is employee status. Click here, go to this plus sign, data labels, and I will select this call out option. Click over this call option and drag it to your favorite place. Now the last thing, you can change this color. Go to design and change color. You can pick the color scheme. I will go with this one. You can do as per your choice. Copy, come back to dashboard, Ctrl V, bring it here. You can adjust as per your requirement. Now let's add some performance rating and distribution of employees in performance grading. What I will do, I will again make its copy to save my time, and later on give it name. Click here, and for performance I will remove this department column and take performance rating, right, and change it chart type to, let's see what is suitable. I think bar chart will be okay. Double click over it and we need to select employee performance. Click it, data labels, click on data label, press Ctrl B, home, and give it Ctrl C, come back to dashboard, paste it here, bring it down, enlarge it to adjust the area, and now we can change the color of each bar as per our requirement. I'm double click on this individual bar, it will open this formatting dialog or formatting window. Press on this bucket sign and you can select the color as per your choice, and for this one press similarly. You can take the bar chart, and for this third one you can adopt this or any suitable color which you like most. So that's okay. Our numbers and summaries are here. Now let's add title to our dashboard. Merge and center, employee dashboard, Ctrl B and enlarge its size. Give it a background color. I think it will be enough. The last thing what we will do, we will come to view and remove this grid line to get a professional feeling. Still your chart cannot fit? No, don't worry, you can reduce the chart widths to adjust them. So that's all for our Excel beginner course. We have finally made our dashboard based on our entire knowledge what we have gained in last 5 lectures. That's all for today. We have learned our beginner Excel course. We have learned how to enter the data, how to do basic formatting to it, add summaries and make a dashboard of it. We will see you with other advanced learning series like Power BI, SQL, as our aim is to make you a professional data analyst. If you want to become a professional data analyst, stay with us and keep watching our Excel learning videos. See you in the next one.